Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, Power Saver. Tap on it once and you can enable this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off automatically, to turn on automatically when battery is reaches 15%. You can set it to reduce CPU performance. You can reduce screen brightness, and you can also set it to exit power saver while charging. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.